Shenseea shared the news with her fans on Instagram, talking about her favorite scene, adding that 1.3 million in 19 hours? Number 1 trending video, number 1 trending topic on Twitter, number 6 trending for all music in JA, and she was also trending in the US and Canada. She also thanked her Shenyangs for their continuous support. Shenseea then took the time out from promoting the single to respond to her critics who suggested that she was buying viewers. Now, in a comment on Instagram, the Jiggle Jiggle DJ said, quote, "I thought they said we're buying views, Shenyangs. Let's wait for the next news they come up with," end quote. Shenseea is gearing up to drop her debut album, which will feature collaborations from some heavy hitters in the industry. Now, last week, Ding Dong and Shenseea showcased their unity when they hit the studio together. The two dancehall stars posted this photo as Ding Dong teased an upcoming collaboration with the rising star who is back in the island following a stint abroad to work on her album. The two artists, who are label mates at Ramesh Entertainment, show that they're still in good standing with each other, even as controversy rocks Ramesh Entertainment after Shenseea announced her new manager. In his caption, Ding Dong promotes his newly released track, Summer Vibes, that was released on July 15. Now, on the international scene, Grammy winner Megan Thee Stallion secured her first platinum-selling album. The Houston rapper is celebrating the milestone as her debut project, Good News, was certified platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, which tracks the album sales. The rapper shared the news with excitement and thanked her fans for their support. She said, "Good News officially platinum. This is my first album and I'm so proud." She said she made majority of the album in her living room during quarantine, so to see it doing this well really makes her happy. The album features appearances from Popcorn, The Baby, City Girls, Lil Durk, SZA, Big Sean, 2 Chainz, Beyonce, Young Thug, and others. The album also debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200 chart and quickly topped the R&B hip-hop albums and rap albums chart. The project was released in November 2020. I'm Daedra reporting for E! Prime.